Yeah, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum everyone watching. Memo be kontana atul malialo ko alkajibiro ke alkabulon no wato wati. Annal bari maram sirfo sonko eke bayo sonko Gambia. Narodron probi kakacha to give you some couple of updates inshallah komenka kalam tan du cool la cool malialo ko wala caring. Like I said in my topic, we are determined. Nothing can stop us, biiznillah, by the grace of God. 2026 and I don't think no amount of words, no amount of intimidation, no amount of caricature, no amount of accentuation. Remember, it can actually, that cane can be torn to anything. So coming to year caricature tatina, kumajaw tatina, and then I mean, because cooking level care wala nyinto ko Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ala la marsan disolum adama dingote no ala la adama dingo it a put la to no in some it had done no situation no me ya lonko afonga ya lonne, and at the end of it you want a variation ka fon remain wo kono ndola focus, like I always say, right now the focus is I mean mbe banko yum kan la no nyamen anyhow ka banko kanandi ka banko bondi ma fial bulo kono I mean adoko nyin atakela no doku izirinte, we know that very well. Adoko nyin kono ebe jawol soto la jele, adoko nyin kono ebe kuma jawol moy la jele, adoko nyin kono ebe fon be la soto la doko nyin kono. But like ndaka mem fo mole wala nyin to ko like my able chairman said, don't steal, don't lie, job right, doko drong. That is the only thing meya lonko I believe it can give progress to this country. And it's very important banku dingo be your long. Nim banku dingo be your long. Membe kala wolo nyinduko, we will put tribes aside. Mbe si fatam fasolon la karale, mbe regionalism bo lan la karale, mbe mbe sectionalism bo be lan la karale. Na focus be kala minute what minam found me along Gambian coal be found jala wala kono. That is why we are focused. That is why ntolu toldare ku kalas wol kono. So just to kana topico nyinta to elaborate more on the topic. Wala mnyuko ntolu ntole Gambia banko wala je wallahi suma wala ntole Gambia banko wala je andung memem fola Gambian kolbi wala mnyuko alin kana som moyem baful. And Nimo you can baffle us. You rebel baffle la no. Keep on nenele. You understand? Momo ya long ko ite America bentul baffle la no. Wallahi, sumo wallahi keep on nenele. Because Gambians are aware of all what is going on. Gambian ko ya lone membi. Muli ha belone. Muli ha lone membi. I mean, one thing you need to understand. Hey, let us come level Gambian ko. Last election yenyin sifa leke kabi yenyin sifa ke at the end of it what happened was wala mindu ko yemolu ton la miro be ton. That's what they did. So what happened is yenyin kuma sifa let's start no ka Gambian ko ta ka fu ko ha UDP malafi luntan wala UDP malafi sido la, and where UDP kolta and some of the executives I made very scared. I slandy back pour nyanta menkela mark. Hey, Kuma killing left a Gambian Kobe all understand. We own this country. Don't let him bankot. We own this country. Adiata Akuya Mexico. Until we own this country. Don't let him bankot. When I say control him bankot, Gambia don't let him bankot. Gambia don't let him bankot. Billahi Gambia don't let him bankot. Ha. Yim bankot kelano mota to Namanga Gambia don't. And no more Gambia don't ballano fella yim banko kanja. Ha. And I want that to be very clear. Mode Gambia dungo ballano fenna nyim banko kanjang Gambia dungo ta moment ha foni adara Gambia dungo me ya lonko ima lela Gambia di ya ha but Gambia ding me ya lonko ilata ko dem Gambia dungo lati mote ballano fenna nyim banko kanjang because banko la luwa wala dila banko la symbole wo dila because alele harji alele wulu ni nyim banko kanjang. That is why ntolla kelo moment wala nyindiko be Gambia kendo solo no yadi me Gambia kendo sotla no nyadila andong ajata nya ko bela me ya lonko is positive pour que Gambia ta ka bondi ni momo ya mero nun ko ibe mole nenela. Let me tell you something, like my able chairman always said wala mnyindiko ako whenever they want to distract us. They will come and divide us. So divide and rule tactics on at a work like this time. It's a kumo bay from Molma. It's an Andro bay from Molma. It's an Tumi Ko Bela. But we will stand by our ground. Mbelo and similar cut. Modern Filanore. Mbelo and similar cut. Billahi Nabut Alabala. Ha. Nabut Alabala Mbelo and similar cut.
Assalamu alaikum.
Surah. Mbelo and similar. Yes, welcome back, Surah. I mean. Mbelo and similar cut. Hey, last election on Yelaka Jang. But Gambia do look like a flala will musical. Jumale Mantara Batakono B. Jumale Ma Long B. Last election or the results of the last election. Jumale Mantara filter. Let's call a spade a spade. Gambia do baby batari. Let's ask ourselves B. The foreign currency of this country na banko na fulo benyadi. Sunyaro membe keka nyim banko kanjang. The amount of corruption going on in this country. Gambian call Alman Kukulelo. Sidin Jai. I learned that Menkara Sidinjai is in a trouble right now. Sidinjai I learned Menkara knew what? It's in a big trouble right now. So what is happening when you want to commit, you want a letter man you like neo be movement or you could banko in a trouble on if a fit no someone banko kanyami. That is their plan. Because Menkara Yindiko, ye banko na flow sunyal, ye banko le tonal tina, ye banko le tonal tala no tema. Say Gambian call realize it. And this is why I want Gambian Dumul. I am basing my topics on the Gambians. Gambia Dumul. It's only when you are a fool, they will fool you. A fool can only fool a fool. But a fool cannot fool somebody. May along is wise. I alone remember caring. Yes, some more a fool. May along is a big fool. Yena na flow sunya. Yena bankot from Betina. Look, Mbadu Ndokumak in the flower. Alila Moy. The local government commission member Kekanje. Ali Lamoy, Manningham. National Assembly B, Gambia do. Alka Kumo Lamoy, National Assembly Gambia do. Na flow jele tunya dañu banko kanja moli na na flow tay dam malu ya sala ñu tema ñu banko kanja mo kilumul bi wala kana jang e ko kany banko du ñokon they want to ila taka tribal work ñu banko kanja ndo sonnala bi ndo sonnala sam we know all of them mo kilumul bi wala la taka di bayla rules ñu banko kanja pour Gambia dungul dam may bi ñola dañu xolal let's use our brain let's ready to be die for our country. And the only thing they feel they will be rescued. Wala ñu ndiko xam fitno sama nañu banko kam.
Songo gisuma.
No sura no it's too I mean ñu mo kulati me ya longo I mean akoka dimi mbakele sura hata. Mo me ya longo wala
songo ya membe al diam executive folly a press release from as soon as possible. Nistano police, this is a very, very serious allegation. It's a very, very serious allegation. People can use this against us. You ain't killing him before. You understand? You ain't killing him before. You can black, let do. I do like Kebala for you for that. A black, let be down. You can only intimidate Sato, Satin, Sate Balto. Tonyata quote. Nico, near Lualo, if Luano, more kind of politician Keba and Banko Kang. Yes, Aluanya, Alua Bedada. But Nimam Fane would put us a diafo. Molba for all day. May Willie have a part of Banko Maramolba for that. At Wollam Tonya. Sirinja Kumar for the Mealongo is very, very destructive towards UDP. And they should take a legal action against this because it's a very, very serious allegation. So executive members will moment in Bella American Cola. Ali si ale ñoo commande bang ali be action mental ji ntel ben diamo kelale ntel mo kido jude sama dole na kud na garawde be atel le mental la keba executive members ale mental la keba ali wuli ale ñu ko address ale legal action ta ko say même fo tay aman tonya ta ko kono yudi be manga criminal we are not criminals ntel alpha som da model ke kam fa kama because ko ngaluwa batu adu mol ko luwa bato la mol ben tel luwa bato dam man la from day one of the year niya ko do kera UDP la billah wala ngi luwa bato lam ara ñu luwa baro anyanda kala wala nyama ndel alfa ko wala fomolier patili la ngina ma da ko den kilo ala nga luwa bat you understand but ni mo ke wuli akana luwa tinyata akamo ta ke mun luwa tinyaya ala jibere o kuma nda fo kula le wala mun tala kuma
no Sulara yalo what happened last election because President Barrow yo kuma ka men for coming to we are talks. Look, President Barrow only said we are talks, right? But he did not say we are having arms with us. Okay? Because ndebe group kono. But Kukil never gave one of the most serious things according to we are attacking all of Ndolbe Flow attack Ndolbe Suruwal attack. Right? But go. See the German Kukil na wala nyuko. For UDP kono Suruwal melbo for wala Gambia dumot. For UDP kono Flow melbo for wala Gambia dumot. For UDP kono Jolal melbo for manga Gambia dumot. For be Palaso Montaro UDP kono. For man ninkol melbo UDP for wala Gambia dumot. Shirinja kido ye jumale bulu. Shirinja muro ye jumale bulu. Shirinja Pong Jumala Bulu, Shirinja Tiakaso Jumala Bulu. That is why the central executive or the senior executive have to take a step against Shirinja. Because Kukil never will Nutuko. It can maintain the more level Nutuko, UDP with fitna party. And now, because Elon Gambian called Kukil understand that last election of 2021 was manipulated. Yeah, manipulated. The results were not the right results. What is going to happen? There might be recounting of votes. And the recounting of vote, basically, UDP will emerge victorious. So, because that is why they use billions, they use millions of money to tamper with the process. To tamper with the process. Saying, you're Becky saying, Gambian Kolbo Batakonobi. Si jumala be nyim banko kan si o me ya longo bi banko kan ko ya me ken banko ke malo fo ida surahata e ka dola fali menna jumala be nyim banko kan membo ka dola fali wala ida surahata e ka pawno fali menna jumala be nyim banko kan membo ka pawno fali wala ida surahata e ka mano sa menna jumala be nyim banko kan membo ka mano sa wala but ni aji be bi ntol mel ya lon ko me bataka ntol mel ko we are sovereign today sidin janyul bi e bu ka mano sa Sidin Daniel B, because Sugrosa. Sidin Daniel B, they are not buying anything from the shop. Sidin Daniel B, Ikejo Kodomena B, they are very rare, even more local in Bangkok and Jakamol German. Sidin Daniel B, Eka Balu Naflo Mella, Eka access to the Naflo Mena. Even few people are complaining in Bangkok and they have access to Naflo in Bangkok and Sa no one can be a man pensor be mendila mola, a man pensor be mendila mbajo mala, a man pensor be mendila mbana fila, a man pensor be mendila sapiotla, a man pensor be mendila fankala nde sienna, wo mo kilumul kana be, a coca Gambian call at a K feeling. Because menkata yena bankola na fulo sunya because menkata yena bankola na fulo kasara yena ye kujawol kenyim banko kanjang. And now they realize that Gambian Kolia understand that a commission of inquiry may along go well be caring to the National Assembly be. Ning Gambia di moment buka lamoy, mbafalo ko altali lamoy. Momo ya long ko buka commission of inquiry lamoy. Me care National Assembly kono. Ala lamoy albalo na ko sidin janyo la sinkaw moment. Gambia election o jang. Ada sunyala jang kotanke. Ni momo ya mira nu yila di am obedia mo men kala yang wala be election sunu la nyim banko kanyang ike fa nenele because we are ready to guide our votes, we are ready to guide our voice. Mpare la kaje ko kan way sabati nyim banko kanya mpare la kaje ko moten kan sikala luntan takafula majang to decide who is going to lead us in the next election. Ni men dia me yafo, but the only thing me along it really make me mad. Sidin Jay accused of having arms, calling us armed robbers, calling us people with arms. I kilo ye jumalabul, I muro ye jumalabul, I found ye jumalabul, I tear gas of ye jumalabul. The evidence are here. We were only going round to monitor Kajako, Mol Melia Lonko. Wale nyanda karto file Gambia dumul dammat. Fonte bira Senegal la bank kafu Senegal ngoleko. Fonte is it right printed as Senegal? Kafu Senegal ngoleko I want to register here. But Gambia ngol nok makil na fulali. Ousmane Sonko ala election wato. il hotel kat iko mol mel yalon ko manga Sénégal ko te kardo fay la je bi Sénégal be benefit kam menna mo be baje kan jumala man tawje ka bañi nafigol mel yalon ko haji tela fentela but goes the only thing they want, the only thing they believe, huh? The only thing elata men na wala nyindiko kabanko destabilize to destabilize our country, and they think that we will sleep. Mesila na nyade. Why are they angry? Ita kuma kama memoila a mayor supporter of NPP. Ita kuma kama memoila ika wala moy an executive member of NPP. A mayor supporter of NPP. Ita kuma kama memoila ika wala moy an executive member of NPP. Demba sabali mbeya moy kenna kuma kama mem demba sabali kuma kama mem fojam jumala mo nyim banko kanja. Why demba sabali bo foka na fulo jelle be mankiring na fulo jelle be filo kono na fulo jelle be tinyaka our minister of agriculture. My own brother Ibrahim Silla. Why Ibrahim Silla is coming out? Why all these ministers now are all told to be politicians? My own brother Nani Juara. I saw Nani in Pirang. Nani, talking as a politician. Who knows Nani as a politician? Nani forget that Nani is a technician. I like Bekel as a technician. But why are they all going out? Milatina Numolbe, Ibebe Fintikan now to defend President Maro because of Sunyaro Tapalea, member carrying him in Masakundakon. Sunyaro in Tapalea member carrying Masakundakon. Who Yuliamiranum, they can baffle us. These people think that they can fool us. Billahi wallahi ta'ala, we are ready to give our life to make sure we salvage this country. There is no place like home. There is no place like home. Ndole Gambia la soto mandula soto namanga Gambia. Why are they scared? Why are they scared? Nyulumile ikamile sila, ikamile mabo. Bro, Lamin, you welcome.
Baraka bake bayo ngetentu ngejai na kekende bafa na mbijan surafata ngekentu ngejai la do ko nyata bake yakata, you've made us proud. Momodu ndokku kula je for asake baraji da farinto na wuli min kama na banko alman sa wakala na banko kan alma banko sotula ani kairo kono ani banko lo sobya kan tiling din nyatata. Anyway, bayo mbota live la mami bake I was mbejin address kanje ngani karolo ke na diamo kono ko sidi is sidi njay again wala nyinde ko fo sidi njay lo mo kota ke bang baydi ngana ko sidi njay has made so many headlines, and the headlines all jama is very sad. I say a headlines all is not mostly positive about Gambia's future and the direction this country needs to take. But the Chidinjai balanalamu na karuntunglamu ala political kono be ni mang amang feyita numola fo ate kunkolo rek momo be banko tinyala momo be fitno wulino banko kan itiri buka jako banko la ngay boleti banko dinga la ngay boleti. But how much they are able to exploit out of that situation is what they care most. Bivangani Peter Gomez Diamaka. Peter was trying to make him remind him of that 2016 declaration. But Amanda Fik but despite Peter try. So but after Kobe double jail anyway, Kumara Sucha come wrong. They are loyal to nothing but money, nothing but they are lust for power. Wala mo bari yaje mela ko mo kun na ko ite na to itambindi banko mo be hanata ko jarita banko mo jama'i fawo kono out of that komi duwalla jabita dron mo manna fawo kono but netata ko niol lose taw kono sidin jaw everything would have to do with sidin jaya ani ya jamila mo mi yalan ko e tafawta ka banko mo jamfa but going forward mbe min jende kan jawla ni ko 2021 cool miliketa gambe dewul dol milan ko they fell for this type of politics. I'm so today we are all in regret. Mano da be nyami banko la dala so usafa economy be nyami banko la crime rate be nyami kul milan ko mande man dari jela no before be mbolle je kan senelal be kumbola senelalu minna minen kile banko kan for the in the history of seno ñim sene tambila ñim traité tambila ngajile ko ye ngay bo menke ye yati yati mo menke pour kele ko do fansoto through kiw money ana menan soto ñim bankun kan bata min late kan wo kono mbe ñing sifale kono na all the pop na save ko na state owned enterprises are all falling so min fanam fo nan ñolu ko te ko nan ñolu be futita na adu wo mu just that's the ice that's the tip of the iceberg ebe mo le jela milan ko ne mine do bebe forcer le be dun la politique kono to go and go and mislead people because it kuma fala mo le milan ko it's going to be ni fem for so called positive story about Baro. It is not because Barola record is not defensible, it's not defendable rather. Barola economic policy a failed, Barola reforms a failed, Barola national development plan a failed, Barola hanala energy cool mi anonga fam belum fenne fonye be baro min tema Barola constitutional reform ning I mean grande molla ko we are going to have a new constitution a failed. So baro fa min kallo ka fo kon dengan nan tele kat dibitol duku banko min nyaton ko fo ite mari nata o nyaton ko yaw sembentu ya lo ko kono akoyte tema ko to nyato na fa be wona karolla abe kulike ka min silo manda min luwa manta ite bo fa sala so ku jamale be dundu nyoko ni bankon kan droko be mol fala ni bankon kan insecurity almost is has gripped everyone because of all these crimes men are taking place. Say etulma address alkal kana nyati le UDP la again ni UDP kelo wala lana tambolke ni UDP kelo ya wala ya de ñu mo falto ni UDP kelo na banko mantano han be bimento ikoyte nyati le banko do ko la bank gambe do yebula menna bar UDP ñing fen akurieta fen nota ya be la UDP ka andu ñi ñande bolal de ñim bo bolal do bo bolal fanan ñi mimbe mo bende katifao ñi mi alon ko laftal pour ka to embark on their all games of manipulation mol yele soute adum people are taking steps kaje ko this time we're not going to allow it so wala silang ñi beti wala paranoia ñi beti wala sangu ñi beti bari man den ko de tulo falona tul fito obuka falona tulo tala so anyway see sula fanam bula
yeah sula Jonathan so you see Omar Bumbaro you can send request so yajale ikada aminta fotang I mean okay yajale this is exactly what exactly ibe menke kan but lepe kuma kil na follow drum and I believe nabro nani aba hakilo flow bakal yajale Tangara ibe kumo be for Tangara. If you see Tangara was able to come back to the government, Kule Asab. I am not saying Ko is clean also, but Tangara was very mindful at some point. Among a politicians, he was not in a political platform. I mean, ala politics, he was very careful in his politics when during the time of Jammeh, ala involvement into politics. That is why I believe one of the reasons Amusa and Masakunda Yinkon. Okay, they will tell you condemn minister and a minister I have to do politics. Okay, fine, do politics. But Kukilin Toronto understand we are in an era may whatever yeah moment for political is going to be there because media is always there. Even moment for la mole, it has to be factual. Don't steal, don't lie, jobre. It has to be in that mantra. Because kukile, momo ya lonko bi. Even masakunda kono bi. It's a happy to kukile. Dumale I realized, and I want to take the best example of the Ghana Commission. Molmel ya lonko wolle sunyaro ko Ghana Commission. Molmel ya lonko wolle na floor tinya in Ghana Commission. Molmel ya lonko wolle ya jambe fawta ye kasara nyimbanko kanja. Molmel ko wolle banko na floor kasara nyimbanko kanja. They were taken to the commission in Ghana Commission, but Gambia be lamoy, Gambia be sunte ko nyumu sungollet. But the worst part is now, Melialonko wolle multi Melialonko be to mirobe wolle ka on the Ghana Commission issue. National Assembly Commission Melialonko wolle be caring inside. The revelations coming. Kuma kawol Melialonko mbe wolle moy come from the commission. So Momo Yalonko, it and you are not going to be commissioned. You are just baffling yourself. Imari K. Mafuko, we are going to bring in commissions like this. No, I mean, in commission, no. But we are going to follow everything. We are going to investigate everything because some of them, Gambian deserve to know the truth. Niano Yokorasan Ukraine. Niano Yokorasan Russia. Niano Yokorasan, I mean, wherever you think in this world, along with one person, one pathetic person, Banco din Kenda Kelimbalo, may alongo you'll be ready. Kabanko taka protect. He'll be ready. Kabanko na flow back to the country. Ya gembele korda mantara America. Al korda America B. It is under the name of the Gambia government. Because Gambia the time, because the money is owned by the Gambians. So Momo Yamironu, ite Mahari Yamironu, ile Dimba, Ebola Bonda Banko Kanya, ile Dimba somebody in America. Because all of them, they all secure an American visa. American visa baby bulokon. So you think ibela Dimba Bolojane, any banko dini prolomokon, ike fongole nene. Walatina, Mbatida, Walatina, Mbanyali, Walatina, Mbabintu, Walatina, Mbande Sen, Walatina, Mba Penda, Walatina, Niamera Nukome Misaipe, Imanlet Wolialo member caring jam. Ukoka Wole Nene, you are baffling yourself. Momo yo Miranium Banko Kanya. So Sirinja can member, I be funny I can sound. Because Sirinja, I heard that there is an allegation against him. Allegation bale bakan you wati. So the only thing Sidin Janule Menjawal Ninduko, let's destabilize this country. And then Banko na destabilize. And the Gambian court and Ninola. Let's divide them. And the Sifatam Faso in the Banko Kanja. That is the only thing, that's what they are planning. Well, court may allow after in Banko Kanja. But are we going to allow it? From the Gambian court, there's no. How many billions of dollars will do in Banko Kanja? But are we seeing ourselves in it? From the Ponjega Konoba. New OIC road, Mayalongo, President Barona Masakunda, a Julota Julo Mayalongo, how many $billion a year will it have? Look at your OIC road in Takadoku. Yesilodoku without no better drainage system. Being in some market, Molmealongo, they live in that corridor. Be their sovereign. The 50-kilometer road may alongo, because I will doku, the silo doku without no better drainage system. B. Joka do Mogel la Sokon. Mogel la Bija may alongo B. Ninsama Jawoketa, in a dimbalu, Nila Dimbal Bujana, Joka do la Solokon. Molmeli alongo, in Nila Moto, they cannot get access to, in a Solokon. This is very sad. And they want to baffle us. They want to make us believe, there is they can divide us. And I keep telling this to people. If you think you can divide this country, because Gambians are wise, Gambians know who is the best person for them. Gambians knows the party who is ready to salvage this country. Gambian Oliolon.
Yeah.
Gambian Oliolon.
Yeah. Kabrin ninganing committee GB, the parliamentary committee investigation on you. ngaje dol bije they are in suit ngamira jane commission of fanana kabirabe takan ngaje be pare be nyinyaren ngana jibe fanan TRRC mol miliyanon ko ñun do bal miliyanon ko ye toray be wol nar wol bina kan nyami ani tel miliyanon ko be kunna je mbalo ko fa ñang hakilo ka jam fa ndessa Allah akbar nguma daje ñi momo be sirin jang ko di balle tambe jokan pour ñin do ko ke moli bar do ko laban min kanake molla million ka dunje molla mine mune kana what returns do we have ikap mene ko return investment return or return for investment or the ROT coming something that is worth the money that we are paying mine kana ke nyum ko di bal bi ka dun ko kono mbukanan sa wol sof noje nuante ni nyanta tara silol minna ni atre tata wasilo minna be this parliamentary committee to sof lanu but thanks to Mustafa Njai, Mustafa Dabola Dukunya Milike, we're trying to get to the bottom of these issues. But in Hakilo Fanana Bula Munela, Ola Munyindiko, the audit report, Mianonko Gambia Daman, Namra Banco, Mulam Banco, Gaminon Doman Banco, the Banco Mianonko. Nalbe auditor Kela, you are audited about 3 years back audit. Atal Kole for Molye. So Fender 4 system of MIMBJ is not effective, it's not efficient, and it's not responsive to the needs of Gambians. No one be me in this generation, you are tool so use no it's not going to take you more than few hours for you to be able to do those jobs. But even if we have to give them the benefit of Kajako, everything is meticulously or effectively audited. Let's give them like 2 months or 3 months. But if we go some more ben to la bang Gambia be doar na depends on me doar nyami. Auditing team will be nyami. Ntolu katla we are not auditing is never up to date, or our books are never up to date. They are always 3 years back.
No, because do you know Yalong Menka Osab? Because the problem is that's the way they design the system. And they will tell you how because during your Ajambara time there was no proper auditing. It's all fake. It's all fake. Because one thing you never can understand I mean, there is a quarterly system. Mayalong is already in the government. Every quarter of the term of the year, there has to be an auditing. Auditing. So Minatina, government doesn't have, because let me tell you something. Look, Itabuloko, you don't have the human resources. Itawufala. Nikomoleko my human resources, ikamol nele. Gambian Dinumojele Mayalongo, they are graduated from the university. We have how many audit firms in this country? And these audit firms, in a credibility, it is not a compromise because they know very well. Because if they compromise their credibility, at the end of the day, they will not have business. So why, if government, Minatina, government is not appointing youngsters for them to do this auditing so that we can be up to date? There are systems, Melialonko. These are updated system, Melialonko. I mean, it's just a mere system. You have to install in all the places. Bangoka Infinite Labitaka. The Infinite system is a system, Melialonko. The more you are operating, the more it's updating itself. And it's an online system. Minatina, that online system, National Audit is not using that online system and audit every institution in this country.
No, imagine we are talking about 3 years of the accounts. No, we are going to be looking at the latest books. And then if those audits were to be done efficiently and professionally, and then to unearth the malpractice we will be shocked ibal na ko baro e tinyaro minke man la president bina ko teke membo tinyaro kala because ni mo yo tinyaro ko teke Gambia will be finished, will be done.
Mr. J, you can send request, Mr. J, you can send request. Yeah. So yajale ekadamento for them. I mean, kodoma yajale. Let me tell you something. Yajale ekadamento for them. Wolem tonyat. Yajale ning audit system woni. For example, yalong ekamenga wolem yinduko. Ekamolu nyilan dele. Wala they have this backload system.
Okay.
But BB lala ni enyu nyindulal audit B. Ebe masibo le tarlaje. I am telling you this. 2021 audit report on not fintita. 2022 audit report on not fintita. 2023 audit report on not fintita jang. Nkoto ma ebe bulo lale kundole. Ebe bulo lale kunde afo Gambia kasaratel.
Mbola foke nte. I know. Because ndel nga minjibe nga trend minje ndel danda 2020 la. But nga trend minje, yeah, was serious because every year ndel nga merako they would be learning from those recommendations, but those recommendations were never implemented because the same blunders, the same issues being repeated again year by year. Huh?
From 2017, there has been a lot of queries. Queries Jama Bal on the audit side. So the president as the head of the state, audit queries or audit recommendations are just mere opinions. So basically, you are the head of state. If neatara an institution me alon ka belori, ite ya recommend ko Gambian ko loko institution on you wala doko o mu fenke o mu comment o mu miral kensan wallet. President wala kanyum fode. This is not said by an ordinary citizen. Amanga comment ka go ordinary citizen wala kanyum fo. Gambian la president Mr. Adama Barrow wala ko ako kisisiro mengi ga master kunda kono sunyaro nin tapale al tumiro mel ka findi ako tumiro mu miral kensan wallet. But saying this mean ko ate president saying ate endorse lako sunyaro mel ka ke wolu mu ku kens ol mu ku o mu diam kensan wallet. Forgetting this ko audit queries or audit recommendations are elements fengol le mut melalo ka tabat fengol le melalo ko aka seda jaro le so ka bambu seda jaro le for president man nyenta kanyi lonko audit queries ning auditor le kisi suroke me ya lonko ya wala tumi jan ning kayto ka finti follow me ya men tumi e ka wato diala le pour ka fa ko ñun tumi ro me ya lonko na le kan leftele pour ye fonctionner de curriculum o ñong e ka fa ko leftele yen jabi minat na nyinketa ni e jabiro kenan franco neke e kala jabiro tala ya jibe ya foy ko ila yin jabiro me yake a jabiro nyin amman timma folo leftele pour ka to fo batti mon no nyame so they give you all space e ka miro bedi le ka wato bedi la le pour ye fon koindi na e tumiro me ya no pakete ka. This is exactly what it's about audit queries. But near other side Gambia government is ready or Gambia government is serious. Gambia government ya mutala ko audit ya understand ko banko katama accountability and transparency la. What should they do? Ejanta kamilek. Ni auditor yela recommendation to the head of state or yela recommendation to the National Assembly. What next? Ejanta menkela. But meya yela auditor yela recommendation about I mean some of the government officials jump. Attached to the parliament recommendation of the call, IGP have to act. Did we see the IGP act? And no cookie IGP ma act. IGP ma more arrest. IGP ma more command. But did we see the president? The IGP is working under the president because it's the one is vested with the supreme power. Ka constitutional tamandi, ka lua tamandi, ka tama fenda ko banko lua wala nyilenka. Mina ya tina IGP man tama a president be there because this meaning president is involved. We have to call a spade. But mina tina be ndebe silar nyim banko la kola a member of parliament, the deputy speaker of the parliament wole left ka banko dundi fitino kono because sidi nyanyol kanyem men fotek sidi nyanyol kanyem mirol milketeng ni tariko jibe nyulele fitino sabu dunia banko dol kan because CEO mu fennati me ya lonko ni CEO ta yesu sunu nyokam aka menka wala nyindi ko aka fitno le sabu banko CEO ka jutu nyola CEO ka nyodaya CEO ka tar hamer nyokam CEO ka tar hamer nyokam pour ka fitno wulu ni nyokam si ñoo dammal ya
walantina
si manga
walantina
si kilo aka tinne ka du ñola
walantina bayo bayo emo molati mi alon ko you are a typical reminder of Barola Jamfa. Nananko you are a typical reminder of Barola Jamfa. Because ilote hamo min soto inganyo min soto ni dunda min kono. You believe in it and you deliver. Omola mwiti. And you can rest baleta, you know, for the sake of this country. Ibaro ilota baro kante ko beka. Bi bilom biti be bi fanan kono ko kunu ngelen be bi kono. So funding kelo mi mielon ko banku kano no sita don ngaji banku kano ki sita dala nim ka ke sita wala nyinde ko ngala ka duila le saying atul funding kol mielon ko albe katukul warandi kam bakele especially ngaji le ko albe simfanyal bil beta kan at west coast al kansulo nyi be kol min ke kan mashallah woto nyalnyen te bin kelo nyinde ko nyaji bi nyim kul paramol fram be siare ntel funding kul mien all safa ko atul funding al gambia fo diaspora lomba be nyanta kafula nyomale we put our difference aside if there is any I'm sorry I'm talking about if there is any I hope there is no differences but let's just so let's solidify our grounds. Let's come together and rally our support around Usainu ngaje ko nim patio nga dandam fo alafta futal ndam mi ngaftande je bengo rally ke wala ko jimmol mi non ko bebe nyum kol be parti bol hani ke yalla ko we do people are intact but there is
no
a challenge that for us to
you know
come together.
the point is I mean ekadamento fotek ajele I mean that is why one time I wrote and I said mol melia lonko ika ibe sler usenula ika mila sila usenula ika mila sila usenula kadu kukil ne beje mol melia lonko nyim banko kan jang ika bu usenu tek namina momoy memba falo ko usenu mankara namina momoy memba falo ko usenu na banko na fulo le sunya
Wallahi
namina mo ina mo namna momoy me ya lonko ko aka foko usenu ta nyim banko sambalano bar mileketa ibe semberim men na wolum nyindu ko jawya ibe semberim men na wolum nyindu ko ala tilimo because men keta wolum nyindu ko ay place la mara nyim banko kanja me ya lonko
wallahi
ni atara bi ay tinyar kenu nje bi presque
wallahi
fo ngolo be kala mo fulut me ya lonko bi
way fere wolum to nyati bay
bar bi sanji jalu bi usenu dabo bota masakunda kono bi sanji jalu abota masakunda kono inamna moy masakunda e finti afako usenu transolo ta masakunda
wallahi listen
the audit report will meli alon ko finti da bi usenu dabo be masakunda kono wato men fajala ka finti je ala audit report a be finti da chaw there is no single audit report alon ko usenu dabo le ko ta jam
sai mo le nyim be long akoy tema han be biminto badi ngolo mo be kere
no membe kere wala nyindi ko konnente yala be kere membe kere wala nyindi ko comment quand même voice the like of Sidi Ndiaye ñol membe to wala nyindi ko ya Usain long ya long ko ay loi long ya long ka 40 ya long ko nobody can dribble him ya long ko be banko tamon la loi la ila konnente ya man la fi moyena nyim banko ka me ya long ka be nyim banko tamon loi
ngo marga kuma kilim fan foy
moy tara nyim banko tamon
mela kuma kuntu jande
me ya lon ka man nyim banko kanu me ya lon ka man banko la kolon me ya lon ka man fello masakunda la tamande nyasilo
ngo elañen kuma kanon toñati elañen kuma kanon melo kuma kundu me murula nje kana because munakita mo ya last time dum dole na ya fonya akonyo ko bare yaje nyaje nyim banku mantano kabirin baro awsel nyul jindi ay ani amadou sanu nyul an be do baro nyul be firim gay me tadu lalo me ke kolon akonye ko bare ntenga mera ko for the sake of the interest for the sake of the Gambia interest sirobe kene mbakele pour baroni useni nyomoy if possible useni murunan ani baro e dokoke yalla ngam refo mare gay ko ila ni miro is good gay bare ku kilne bi minta sanna wala mu Sidi Ndiaye gay because Sidi Ndiaye right ni useni ni barobe murutana wala diata Ngai ba baro jeribe baro yamar la kote kay silo telling ay subula silo noma ake anyanda minkila ake anin luwala anin ay ku kendo ke andu wono be da no be kala dawran den sidin janyol de tata sidin janyol be ku le be la ila palaso e bola kantaka because people like sidin jay where there is decency and improve nga luwal nin kol samanda nyama nga kol ka nyama sidin janyol they stand no chance. They stand no chance. You cannot even allow, you cannot have a man secunda